Isang panalong bonding naman ang pagsasamahan natin today dito lang sa IWant ASAP! Tapos grabe, bilis ng panahon. Ano
So
ba yan?
may question ako sa inyo. Since tapos na yung first half, ano yung mga highlights ng first half ng 2025?
You go first.
Ako nga nagtanong eh. Ikaw muna, Rain, ikaw.
Siguro like, definitely love at first spike and my
Yeah,
album launch.
congratulations!
Yeah.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Right, yes, and also like meeting new people is like very nice talaga. So, it's a highlight in
Wait
life.
lang, masasabi ko lang, yung first couple episodes of Love at First Spike, hindi ko talaga alam kung nag-acting ka or ikaw talaga yun.
Oo,
Kasi sobrang subtle yung character niya eh.
Tapos,
Ibig sabihin,
naka-pimple
natural.
patch pa siya.
Natural.
Naka-star pimple patch
Nachamba
pa.
ka.
No, it's just
Nachamba,
natural
bunso.
acting.
Yes.
Pero ang galing yung dalawa doon. Congratulations sa Love at First Spike.
Congrats
Brother,
sa inyo.
ikaw.
Siyempre, love at first bite talaga.
Gaya.
Love at first bite talaga. I mean, grabe, it's been a dream of mine to star in ABS-CBN teleserye. And of course, PBB collab, AC. Siyempre, Bignet, congratulations sa
Congrats sa
Breka.
inyo, guys.
And of course, sa lahat.
Breka!
Sa lahat,
Breka.
sa lahat.
Nag-comment si J-Hope sa post mo sa TikTok.
Oh my God.
J-Hope sa post!
Oh my God.
And then cheer like, you're my hope. Hope, hope, hope.
Hope, hope, hope.
Nag-comment ako, you're my hope, I'm your hope. J-Hope, I love you so much.
Guys, sana mas maging maganda at dumami pa ang winning moments sa rest of the 2025 natin lahat. Kasi marami tayong panalong concert treats na dapat yung makita dito sa IWant ASAP.
Wow! Parang
Diba?
nag-enjoy sa after party ka.
Sorry.
Sensya na.
First time
Sensya na,
namin
guys.
mag-party all together.
First time lang.
Yes.
Parang nag-enjoy kayo.
Today is today.
Kaya
Tomorrow
naman-
is tomorrow.
Tama na! Panoorin mamayang 12 noon sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, TV5, A2Z, and IWant TFC. Use our official hashtag ASAPWinners!
Yeah. At syempre, our grand winner,
Cardong Trumpo!
Oh, wow!
Yes, and may mga winning performances dahil.
Okay! At si Mom Clarice, may special duet we're in with Asia's songbird Regine Velasquez at ang winner ng Time to Dance na si Celmar makakasama sa ASAP Super Dance with AC, Ken, Jella, and James Son.
Pero syempre, hindi naman.
Kaya naman, simulan na natin ang winning celebrations with our very
Ayun na.
first time to dance. Oh, same pala siya. Very first time to dance grand winner, Ice Almeria!
Take it away, brother.
Go, sayaw ka. Isa, ate!
Ate ka daw?
Ito ka na ba?
18.
Oh my God!
Oh!
Good luck.
That's way.
Pero dahil nga
Always.
nanalo ka na, ano ba ang mga plans mo, Ice?
Plans? Siguro may after ng Dubai, I'm gonna focus on my career.
Syempre, as we're talking
You
about.
wanna try like acting?
Yes, currently now, I'm trying acting sa Meisner.
Oh,
nice.
And kung ano bang opportunity ko tayo, I'll just grab it.
Ano to?
Opposite!
Pero
Diba?
syempre, from one amazing performance, we have another dito mismo sa IWant ASAP, di ba, Rain?
Yeah, kaya we will make way para sa isang singer-songwriter tapos producer pa who specializes in indie pop, dream pop, indie folk, and shoegaze, singing his brand new single, Hiwaga. Here's a performance from
Minimal Days!
Ang ikot ng mundo parang nag-vibrant siya. So,
Wow, vibrant.
Tinaas yung saturation.
At diba,
Ibang vibrance yun. Wala. Hindi na napansin yung joke ni AC. Wag na.
Okay lang.
I think, hold on muna tayo. Yung main genres mo ay indie pop, dream pop, indie folk, and shoegaze. So bakit ito ang napili mong genres? And like, ano ang shoegaze na genre?
Yes, ano yun?
First time ko
I don't
marinig
know.
yung shoegaze.
Yeah, I've never heard of shoegaze.
actually, shoegaze, matagal na siyang genre. Parang sub-genre lang siya. More on ethereal siya na wall of sound with distortions and parang siyang dreamy vibes.
Parang
ganun.
atmos.
And super happy kami.
Kasi atik lang po yung kasama natin.
Tama.
Yes.
That's right.
Oy! Yeah, and OA din talaga ang laki ng grupo na to. Wow! Yes, malaking grupo kayo, pero kayo lang ang representatives today sa IWant ASAP. So, para sa kaalaman ng lahat, gaano ba kalaki ang grupo ng Fem Manila? Ilan kayo lahat?
Parang nasa 50 na tayo. Hindi naman nanganganak yung mga bakla, pero dumadami kami yung dumadami.
Mas madami
In a
pang
way.
laki sa puno.
Mas madami pang bakla kaysa puno.
Ayun. Speaking of stories, bakit tribute to parents ang gusto niyong message sa finale performance niyo?
ano ba yung pinaka matinding sandata natin para sa grand finals. Kasi syempre labasan na ng bala yan. So ang pinaka matinding sandata namin is yung mga magulang namin and yung story namin.
Ganda nun.
Thank you.
I love you.
Hirap, so parang up to my fingertips, nagpa-flex pa rin siya. Sobrang galing. They really helped me through
Sa
all of it.
pagkakaalala ko, parang 10 minutes niya lang kinuha yung pro. 15
Emilio, shh!
Ay, alam mo kung sino susunod dyan? Alam mo kung sino?
Si Emilio!
Si Rain!
Okay, first block.
Pero Manila, maraming salamat
Maraming
sa
salamat.
Grabe. Mismo sa IWant ASAP, sino yan, AC?
Sino yun, Rain?
Sino yun? Sino yun?
Okay, online squad mates, please welcome PGT Season 7 third place winner, Carl Kios!
Hello po! Hello! AC po, nice to meet you.
Carl, welcome po. Welcome to IWant ASAP.
Welcome to IWant ASAP po. This is our set.
Pwede, imbis na singing, meron ding comedy.
Yes, magic and movie yung ginawa kong team.
Yes.
Ako na nanonood dalang magic sa inyo ngayon.
Wow,
meron po, meron po.
Yes, yes.
Yes, i-check nyo yung tinidor kung matigas o malambot. Yeah.
Hala.
Matigas.
Matigas?
Hawakan nyo,
Po,
hawakan nyo.
matigas.
Okay.
Pwede ba ibulsa ko muna
Sobrang
yung mic?
tigas.
Okay, as in,
Ay, akala ko pupunta kayo
Ako na
floor.
po mag-mic sa'yo. Emilio, go.
Alright. I-try natin ha. I-try natin kung talagang solid naman siya. Familiar kayo sa telekinesis? Yung
Yes
kaya
po.
magkaroon ng gamit sa isip, right?
Opo.
Look, watch.
Oh my... Wow! Ha? Wow!
Wow!
Matigas din?
Yeah!
Hala! How did you do that?
Familiar kayo sa pencil, yung pag ginagano yung lapis.
Yeah, wait.
Try mo nga kung lalambot siya.
Hala, yung ganun po? Ganun?
Yan.
Oh, hindi po.
Hala.
No?
Hindi.
So susubukan ko ng dalawang daliri. Watch. With 2 fingers, walang puwersa. Parang ganito.
Wow! Ha? Ha?
Hoy!
Wait lang. How did he do that? What? Grabe naman yun! Oh my gosh!
I-diretso mo ulit yung tinidor. Yeah. Then, ikanto mo yung kamay mo. Alright? Close mo. Ngayon, mararamdaman mo yung pag-ikot. Feel mo yung pag-ikot, yeah?
Feel mo rin?
Yeah?
Feel mo yung pag-ikot.
Po?
Feel mo rin?
Watch.
No!
Hala.
I'm so
Hala!
Wow! You
Ang
see the
galing!
wrist over there? You see the wrist over there? Wow!
my
Pwede din po
gosh.
yun dito?
Yes, of course, yeah.
Can I try? I wanna hold it. What the heck? Yun yung ginawa ko kanina.
Oo nga, di natin nagawa.
Ngayon, ganito yung idea. Iganto mo yung kamay mo.
Hala, papalitan niyo ko.
Watch.
What's going on?
Oh my gosh.
I'm so powerful! Wow! Can you bring that back?
Grabe.
Okay, that's cool.
Souvenir natin yon.
Grabe, palakpakan naman natin, grabe.
Wow!
Thank you so
Grabe,
much.
sana nakikita nyo to up close.
Yeah.
Ang galing
Oo.
talaga.
Crazier in real life.
Wow.
I'm like, I'm at a loss for words.
Hindi ako
talaga.
din eh.
Ang galing
Ako rin na
po.
pa. Coin.
Coin, isa pa!
Coin, sino ba may coin?
Coin,
Sino ba may
Sino
coin?
may coin?
Sino ba may coin?
Walang coin.
Ibabalik po namin, promise.
May candy po ako.
Oh, kahit wala daw, kahit wala daw.
Watch.
Nabalik niya, oh. La, may puso! Oh! Online comments, promise, ibang...
Uy, nasira!
Pakita mo sa... Oh my gosh. Paano nangyari yun? Bango? Bumango?
Oo ah.
Pero promise online comments, iba talaga pag up close and nakikita mo yung magic. Pero syempre, grabe.
Wait lang. I just wanna say that was a very memeable moment again. Like, AC just went,
Grabe po.
May coin na po tayo.
yes!
May coin po tayo.
Ganito yung idea.
Ayan na.
Sa akin na po to?
Yes,
Souvenir.
Thank you po.
Ganito. Nakakita ka na ng coin na lalaglag pababa? Nakakita ka na ng coin na lalaglag
Opo.
pababa?
Ay, hindi pa po.
Ito, laglag pababa. Tapos ganito yung laglag.
Hoy!
Yeah. Ulitin ko ha. Laglag pababa. Ganito yung laglag.
Uy!
Pataas.
Pati pa sa mga nagawa yun.
Ayun. Subukan mo saluhin yung coin. Ayan. Pag tumama sa kamay mo yung coin, kailangan masarado niya siya. 1, 2,
Uy!
Oh, okay.
Himasin na to eh.
Okay. Sorry.
Saluhin mo
I was
kasi.
too short.
Okay lang.
Wow, that's far away.
Hoy! 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 Hoy!
What is going on?
Gosh! Paano nangyari yun?
Up close namin ha. Pero
Uy,
ang
ako
galing
hindi ko
naman.
nakita.
Oo.
Legit.
Oh my God!
Sir Carl, never tayo nag-meet before, di ba?
Yeah, so, ngayon
Never
lang,
tayo
ngayon
nag-meet,
lang.
di ba? Ngayon lang. Online squad mates, this is the first time we're meeting Sir Carl, and wow.
And I'm amazed.
I'm like, wow.
Grabe.
Wow.
I have a question. Can you like give me magic powers to like dance?
Hirap yun actually, hindi rin ako marunong sumayaw.
Sayang.
Sir
Ano
Carl,
nag-try
paano ka
ako?
nagpa-prank mga kaibigan mo?
Oo, tsaka nag-i-invent po kayo ng magic trick.
Yes, oo.
Thank you po.
Sabi nga no!
I just feel powerful talaga. God, it's there!
Pero online squad mates, huwag kayo nga list. We will head over to
Kapamilya
Online Live! Count you on everybody!
Yeah!
Parang buhay ko.
Wow!
Pero bata pa ako, hilig ko na talaga to.
Pero tay, pwede niyo po ba kaming turuan na magtrumpo?
Siguro sabi nila pagkasimple pero ako na nagsasabi parang barena to kapag nalagay sa palad.
oo.
Kasi umiikot yan.
Opo.
So,
Oh my gosh.
Emilio, ikaw.
Grabe.
Too hard. It's like you're like making a pet fly.
Siyempre, natay kartong trumpo. Paano po yung sikreto tayo?
O ikaw dyan, try mo naman. Try mo naman, Jer.
Hindi, try ko with the mic. Oo. Kinakabahan ako.
Uy.
Wow! Nasa gitna siya.
Bullseye, ha?
Oy! Oo, nakuha ko ha! Nakuha ko!
Grabe.
Kita ko ah.
Nakuha ko. Ang galing.
Alam ko na yung technique!
Paano,
Alam ko
paano?
na yung technique!
Oh my gosh.
Ha? Dito na sa atin ni tatay eh.
Grabe.
Gagawin
Ang hirap.
mo. Sino? Si Emilio ulit?
O sige, try
Emilio
natin.
ulit. Emilio, try mo. Yan! Ay,
Na-stop eh.
Pinigil mo. Pinigil mo.
Na-stop eh.
Hinawa ka mo
Ano
natin.
yun?
Hinawa ka mo
Lapit
natin.
talaga.
Oh, Rain, ikaw?
Yeah.
Ginawa na namin eh.
Dapat
Bunso,
gagawin ko yung
ayaw
ginawa
mo
ni
dapat.
Kuya Jeremy.
Go, Bunso. Yes.
Yeah.
Yan.
Hirap!
Oh, isa pa. May time pa
Sobrang
tayo
hirap.
for one more for Rain. Oh, one more try.
Ako na.
Ikaw.
Ako last.
Oh, last na.
Ay, ikaw magpaikot.
Okay, paikutin mo.
O sige.
Oh my
Ingat
God.
Emilio, may mga tao dito.
Paano ganyan?
Baka matama sila.
Walang experience. O, wag na. Okay.
Wait lang.
Walang experience.
Parang kinakabahan yung mga cameraman natin.
Okay. Kinakabahan na sila eh.
Baka
Sabi
matamaan
nila,
sila.
wag muna. Sige, leave it to the professionals.
Hindi, si Rain. Ayaw. Oh, Rain.
No!
Wala, ayaw talaga sa'yo, Rain. Pero maraming salamat po sa pagsama po sa amin today, Tay. Thank you so much. Sa pagturo din sa amin sa mga pagtuturo mo.
Grabe.
Thank you so much. Yung magkitata. Yan.
maraming salamat din sa pag-imbita nyo sa akin ngayong araw na to.
Pakiramdam na it's finally happening. hindi na talaga yung hindi na talaga
Yung abang-abang, no?
Yes.
It's out, mga online squad mates. Love at First Spike on IWant. Grabe. 3 episodes na pong lumabas. Last Friday lumabas ang episode
Yes.
3. Every Friday po lumalabas ang episode
Yes.
ng Love at First Spike, 8 p.m. And kami po ng buong cast talaga, sobrang nasisiyahan pag nakita yung mga
Yeah.
edits. And of
The
course,
cheesy is
pati
full
sa
of it.
Twitter. Salamat din po sa lahat ng mga
yung mga
review.
core
Diba?
Yeah!
Core.
Especially kay Kidlat.
Yes, Kidlat Core. So, ayun. Grabe, it's been a dream come true, squad mates. And
Favorite part na ng music video.
ako,
Favorite part was when I was featured in it. Like, you know, the rain was...
Yung rain scene.
yeah,
Yung
the rain
ulan
was
dun
really so cool there. So I was like, thank you for featuring me.
Wow. You're welcome.
and speaking of rain, ikaw, kumusta ka naman, Bunso?
Oh, well, also, thank you so... Oh my gosh, my EP just hit 1.6 million streams.
What?
Yeah, so
Wow.
very thankful po for everyone that's
hindi
been
lang
enjoying it.
hindi lang yun, yung mga kanta mo na Pahuway and Miss Sentimental naging
Yeah.
part ng viral top 50 on Spotify.
Oh
Yeah.
my God!
Yeah.
What? That's so cool.
Congratulations, Reyna.
Thank you
Anong
so
masasabi
much.
mo? Anong reaction mo nung nalaman mo all those accolades that you're already getting sa album mo?
Well, it's crazy kasi I didn't expect much. It's my first album. Tapos, ang dami palang natuwa. And it's one of those, it's both, yung pinaka nag-boom talaga is the songs that I helped co-wrote with Kuya Jeremy. So,
Yun!
talagang nakaka-proud na parang, whoa, I thought of those words. Look at that, they like it. Okay. So, I feel very grateful and I'm inspired to do more.
Oo, at nakakatuwa din kasi sobrang supportive din ni Rain sa mga album launches ng ibang Big Four.
Oh, yes.
Kai, Colette, and Piang. Kamusta watching them do their album launches as well and shine?
Well, talagang it was hard to be there talaga. Like,
Bakit?
Kasi palaging my schedule on the day. So I always had to run. Like yung kay Kai, ang naabutan ko lang yung final song. So talaga,
Bakit? Okay, story
Busy
time.
eh.
Story time, bakit?
Busy eh.
Bakit ka na late?
It's a story we can't tell.
Oh, okay.
It's just so crazy. The traffic, like, it wasn't moving at all. So I
Okay.
had to do something.
Oh,
Which
anong
you
ginawa mo?
Well, you will never know. You will never know what I
Ba't
did.
ayaw mo sabihin?
Talaga, hindi baka pagalitan tayo.
Okay.
But yun na nga, like, I was just saying na grabe yung efforts I would do for me to watch my fellow Big Fours na nag-perform na ng songs. Kasi grabe, we were just singing inside the house and seeing them on stage, owning their stage, it's talagang nakakatuwa sa heart. So, I wanted to see it for myself.
Oh, siguro Rain, let's hear your favorite songs from all of them.
So from Ate Colette, my favorite song is Our Love Is Gone.
Wow.
Every day. Oh, you produced that then,
Yeah,
di ba?
wow.
Oh my gosh. And Kai, I like Overthink.
Overthink,
Yes, and
okay.
from Piang, I like Miss You talaga. Nakakaaliw. I love that talaga. It's so LFS. I love it. But yeah, that's amazing. You know, it's crazy that it's already like half of the year.
Oo.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, syempre,
rin ang bonding natin dito sa IWant ASAP.
Oh my
Kasi
gosh!
ngayon, mga online squad mates,
na.
ngayon, for the first time ever,
Oh my God!
na natin na kanina pa yung Simba!
Ay, dumaan na! Ay, wait lang! Emilio kasi pinigilan mo eh!
Please welcome the Soul Diva Nation's mom!
Wow, grabe.
Clarice
Wow.
Guzman!
Grabe energy ni Oily
Oh my
Man.
gosh.
Hello
Mom.
guys, hello Ray, hello Jeremy.
Welcome back.
Excited ako sa kanila na makita nila yung mga taong sumusuporta sa kanila at nag-aabang sa kanilang lahat. Di ba Ray? Ganun pala. Yeah.
Wow, wait lang. Matching Ikaw ang hindi!
Ito.
Gusto mo iramin tong...
Kasya yan sa akin. Kasya yan sa akin,
Balikan
mom.
lang din
Adjustable
natin.
to.
Balikan lang din natin.
Speaking of happy, I want to greet you. Happy 12th
Oh my
anniversary!
God!
Yes!
12 years!
12 years!
Ang tanda na!
Let's start sa 12 years old kasi.
Okay.
Let's start sa 12 years old.
Okay.
24 ka pa lang.
At dahil ASAP winners tayo today, ano-ano ba ang mga winning moments mo sa 12 years ng career mo?
Sa 12 years ng career ko, sobra isa na dyan, syempre naging part ako ng ASAP. And ito actually, unang-una naging family ko after ko sumali ng pinanggalingan ko singing competition before. Ito yung unang tumanggap sa akin, sa amin ni Morissette, ang ASAP. And until now, andito pa rin, so sobrang thankful ako. Para maging ano tayo dyan, artista na komedyante,
Comedian po.
comedian.
Cooking show.
O baka naman drama. Ano naman?
Yes!
Ganun.
Oh.
Syempre,
Sabi niyo cooking.
Yes.
Grabe.
At isa po sa mga iconic lines niyo po inside of the house was yung ang OA! Ayan, Rain, gawin mo para kay Ate Klang. OA! Yan! So ngayon po, Ate Klang, kung okay lang po sa inyo, maglalaro po tayo
Sige,
ng
sige.
OA or okay.
Okay.
Vivant and Mika as big winners. OA or okay? Dapat may move po
Wait,
sa
okay yun yung positive, di ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Okay,
Medyo nalito ako eh.
Kasi may movement po kayo sa OA. Ano
Paano yun?
movement nyo naman po sa okay?
Okay. Okay!
Okay!
Yung OA yun eh.
Okay.
Hindi mo okay.
Okay!
Yan! Okay. Kaya ni Ate Klang yan.
Oo, at ang next naman, magka-love team ka. OA or okay?
Jisoo?
Okay din. Siyempre, diba? Siyempre, adjustable tayo dyan.
And kanina, you just performed one of your new singles, di ba?
Yes.
So tell us more about this
Diba?
song, Anab. Ano daw meaning ng Anab?
Maraming salamat, Rain. Anab is it's short for Ako Na Nga Ang Bahala. This is a single by DJ MOD and he composed this for me.
5 po, kasama po namin si Sir Jad Madala sa kanyang Heart and Soul concert sa Waterfront Cebu. And on November 8 naman nasa Vancouver, Canada po kami for a show
Wow,
din.
that's my home.
Yeah.
Say hi
she's
to
there.
our
Come
home
on.
for me.
Cebu and wow!
Yes. Tara na. Come on.
Hey, she's going to Cebu, she's going to Vancouver. Tapos she's all happy na. Ayoko na.
Yes.
Okay, next topic, ma.
Alrighty. Rain, we have a very special guest.
Yes, we will give a grand royal welcome para sa ating Miss Grand International, CJ Obiada!
Hello. Welcome to IWant ASAP.
Hey, Queen! What's up, Queen? Welcome to IWant ASAP. Please
Hello,
greet our
everyone.
online squad mate.
Ayan, sa ating mga online squadmates, thank you so much guys for tuning in and hopefully, lagi po kayong manonood and magso-support also.
Congratulations in store for you for being the very first Filipina na nakakuha ng Golden Crown sa Miss Grand International.
Thank you. Ayan, beauty queen na ako ulit.
Yeah, beauty queen now. Pero how does it feel to get the Miss Grand Crown?
Of course, sobrang happy for all the Filipinos kasi eventually, after, alam mo yun, how many years of trying to get the first Miss Grand International crown, we finally got it. So, thank you so much po sa lahat ng support ng Filipinos, prayers, and all the queens who paved the way for me also to be on that stage. Maraming salamat po. Sana supportahan niyo ako hanggang dulo ng reign ko.
Talaga. Kasi ang dami nangyari before mapunta sa'yo yung crown, right? Like, oh my gosh! Like, right? Oh my gosh! Nasubaybayan din ng mga pageant fans mo ang journey mo. So for you, ano ang nakuha mong mensahe ng tadhana sa plot twist ng buhay mo?
Well,
oh my God!
Grabe yung plot twist. Actually, for me, yun talaga yung biggest plot twist ng buhay ko. Sabi ko naman sa lahat, you'll have your own spotlight. So for me, it took me how many years before I get into that position. So have your time also. And the people will be celebrating with you too.
Yes, well said.
Isa pa, oh my gosh!
Oh my
Oh my
gosh!
God!
Oh my gosh! Talaga.
Ayun.
Ayun, di ba?
CJ, kung okay lang sa iyo, ituro mo naman si Ray.
sa'yo?
Si Ray.
Si Emilio.
Tsaka si AC. Diba? I think may future sila, diba? As beauty
I'm so
queens.
proud of you. You're really
Diba?
trying to grow in this industry.
So ito na ang chance nyo, guys. O sige, sasali ako sa inyo. Sasali ako sa inyo tatlo.
Game, paano
Sasali ako sa
ba
inyo.
to?
Game.
So,
Si Miss CJ
inhale muna. And then engage your core. Exhale a bit.
Sorry.
Parang na isa.
Sabi niya kasi
Parang iba yung
engage
lumabas.
your core. So nag-engage ako ng core.
Gigil eh.
Okay.
Tapos, chest out, butt out, and then yung fingers, yung placement niyan kung saan yung feeling mo, pinakamaliit na part ng waist mo. Fingers pointing down, fingers together, and then yung placement ng paa, parang 2 o'clock lang. Imagine a clock. The other leg na nasa likod, pointing to 2, the other one on 12. So, yan yung posture natin kapag naka-establish tayo sa stage. Tapos, lay lang sa camera. Tingin sa camera, fierce, smile,
Ayun.
feel the
Jeremy,
music.
ginagawa ni Emilio. Ayan.
Oh, fierce, fierce. Fierce. Smile. Big smile. Ayan. And then hair flip. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-hair flip. 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Ganito, sabi niya, fierce. Sabi ko, tapos sabi niya, big smile. Sabi ko,
Transition.
I felt it.
Good
May
transition.
lakad. Yung may lakad.
Okay, may lakad. Cross lang naman. And then maintain a straight line. From your posture, step. Cross, and cross. Tapos fierce, smile, and hair flip.
ay, wait lang, bakit mo yung rin mo ka ulit.
Kanya. Patingin po.
Lakad pa balik. Ba't ganun din sa'yo?
Sorry, I just wanted to fight.
Yan yung kanyang
That's
yan yung kanyang
variation.
sariling walk.
Yes. Ikaw, Jeremy, ano yung flavor
Wait lang,
mo sa walk mo?
Umuna ka.
Bigyan natin siya ng time. So, masustain yung, alam mo yun, all the emotions. Sabi ko, paano to? But I'm really, really happy for the Philippines finally. Doon na yung crown complete na. Yeah, feeling ko nga, complete ni Thanos bigla yung...
Yeah, I think mapapasabi ka talagang, oh my God!
Wow.
Well, Queen CJ, thank you so much for bringing
Thank you.
pride and joy to our country.
Ano yung babalat nyo?
Yeah! I love it first fight na po sa IWant TFC, 8 p.m. every Friday yan, guys.
Yes, and please
Rain, album mo, album!
Oh my gosh, my album done po! You can stream it on all streaming platforms. Be loved, yes. Thank you so much, guys. Mwah!
Yeah, thank you so much to our very special guests today. We have PGT winners Carl Gion, Fem Manila, and Cardo Trumpo. And siyempre, Miss Grand International, CJ Obiaza. And Time to Dance winner, Ice Almeria. Minimal Days, we have Mariel Montellano, Darren Espanto, and siyempre, Mom, we have Clarice de Guzman.
Wow.
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa inyo, online squad mates, and see you again next week for more fun and good vibes dito lang sa IWant Awesome!
Maraming salamat po.
I can tell her all my secrets.
Wow!
I know she
Sayaw, Emilio!
ain't nothing come between us. That my main one. Yeah, she up in here with me right now.